Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to remove Jotform branding for free. So let's just begin. Now here's the thing. So basically, once you are inside your form creation, you can see multiple different options in here. So we have this branding at the bottom. So you can see on pages, if we add a page, we have this kind of delete or remove option on its right side that we can basically use to delete that particular section, but we do not have any option to remove this branding. And you can see on top it is saying if you want to remove Jotform branding, you need to upgrade your account. So this is the straightforward answer to that, but I have a solution for this as well. You can head over to the link in the description below and get 50% off on Jotform and remove this branding completely. So that is the only solution that you can use for now, but for free it is not going to be removed. But you can use the free plan and don't really bother about this because no one cares about it. So yeah, I hope this video was informative and see you in the next video.